Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off airplane mode in notification bar on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to notify you for the new updates. Okay, let's start. On your iPhone X, go to Home Screen. Drag down the notification bar and find the airplane sign or the airplane image. And if you find it, just click the airplane sign. And that's it, the airplane mode is now enabled. And if you want to turn off the airplane mode, just click again the airplane sign. Okay, that's it, and now we have successfully turned on and off airplane mode in notification bar. And if you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell for the new updates. And thank you for watching.